Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm back in the workshop today, so just doing another behind the scenes video for you to show you what goes on here at Valve and Process Solutions. Today we've got some Keystone 6-inch and 8-inch F990 butterfly valves fitted with Westlock Switchboxes, and these particular switchboxes have got IFM sensors inside. So the packages have been built up, so I'm just coming into the workshop just to do the final check and test and to set the switches for the customer. So the first thing to do is to take the lid, which we've got here, take the lid off the switch box so we can get access to the switches. At Valve and Process, we always set the top switch as closed unless the customer specifies otherwise. So I'm just going to set the top switch into the position first of all. And the great thing about the Westlock touch set cams is we don't need a tool. We just press it down to disengage and then line it up with the target on the sensor. We then got our little testing device here, which we put in, and on this particular unit it's 1 and 2. So as you can see, I've got the switch in the right place. If I actually move the switch off, the light goes out, and the light goes out on the tester. I really like these little IFM sensors because they've got the LED actually on the sensor. So that's the switch in the closed position, the sensor should I say. We then take that off. We then move the valve through 90 degrees to the fully open position. And then again, using the touch set cams, and on the bottom one, it's just lift and drop to engage. We then put the tester back onto the terminal strip, this time onto 3 and 4. And as you can see, you've got the light in the bottom there, and you've got the light on the tester, which means I've got the striker in the right place. If I was to start to move the valve back towards the closed position, the light goes out. And as I put it back into the open position, the light comes back on. So that tells me that the sensors are functioning properly. So that's the setting of the switches, top and bottom. All to do then is to fit the switch box back. You can see it's in the open position. We close the valve and the switch box shows via the beacon that it's closed as well. So just thought I'd show you a little behind the scenes of what we do to test IFM sensors in Westlock switch boxes on manual butterfly valves. Thanks very much for watching.